What's going on, guys? So I kind of started the video on a different note. I'm test driving some motorcycles at the moment. Happen to be on a 2022 BMW S1000R. This is very cool, having a quick shifter, a little bit more power. But we are in Daytona Beach Bike Week, and it has been absolutely gorgeous, and the forecast for this next couple days is going to be phenomenal. And I'm just really excited to be out here test driving some beautiful bikes. Just being around this bike week is something to be a part of, I'll tell you that. So currently have a couple bikes on the list for test driving today. Pretty excited about. Yesterday I did a GSXS-750. Really wasn't feeling that. Just a little too small for my liking. And then of course this one, I have a GSXS-750 when we get back, and then after that test driving a Z900. Really excited to see the difference between my bike and then the GSXS-750. See how detuned my bike actually really is. I gotta say, this quick shifter is amazing to have. You ain't even gotta do anything. I haven't even got this bike up to its potential yet, and this thing is pretty quick. So my stepdad's back there. We kind of split off, left side, right side. Of course he was on the left, I was on the right, but I'm on the S1000R. He's on my dream bike, which is the S1000RR. And I know that thing is a monster, and this thing is no short of that. I don't know what it is with these naked bikes. I guess I just am attracted to them. I don't know. You think I own one, so I'd test drive something different, but yesterday the GSXS-600 was pretty nice. Different, a little bit different of a seating position than I'm used to, but I actually really liked it, being leaned over and all that. It's beautiful weather. It is like absolutely perfect. I think it's in the 70s, 75s, like all weekend. I will say with this quick shifter, it is very hard to get it into neutral. I guess that's a given. It is crazy packed this year. Apparently it's my first year here, but it is packed. We went to Main Street yesterday, which is like where everybody goes, rides their bike down, walks the strip, and it was packed. I mean, beyond belief. And the scenes there are, whoa. The people here in Florida, man, they're different, man. It's crazy to see it. So apparently we got to get 2 lanes over, so I could have to use excessive speed. And I apologize to that for anybody watching from Bike Week. Oh my God, dude. Holy crap. Well, I think I'm sold. I think I got my favorite for today, and it's the first one. What's this button do? Huh. Front rear shocks, what? Oh my goodness gracious. Well, gotta buy a quick shifter for my bike now. It's happening. I can see it now. GSXS gets quick shifter. So be on the lookout for that here soon. Kudos to BMW, because this thing is nice. And we'll see you on the next one. Hey guys, so my audio got cut to this video. That's why I'm doing a voiceover at the moment. And also, I just want you guys to not take life for granted, because I went from test driving these bikes to on a plane back home to Maryland due to a family emergency. So if you keep my family in your prayers, really appreciate that. And I will be seeing you guys shortly in the next video. See you on the flip side. Peace.